The Yuneec H520E Rtk is a drone designed for the inspection industry. It was being flown by my friends Josh O'Leary and Phil Mann before the Atlanta chapter party for AUVSI XPonential 2021 at the Steady Hand Beer Company. The maps and models that it took were then put together by my other friend James Michael of Skyline Software Solutions. Skyline showed the model of the brewery that they created at the party, and then Josh flew again at the party. The Yuneec H520E Rtk is a six-rotor system and can capture better imagery from longer distances. It has a 3 gimbal axis for 360 degrees of continuous rotation. It can also have a thermal imaging camera attached to it capable of selectively measuring relative temperature changes. Now it can share images to the ground station, store them internally, or do both. It has an airtime of 28 minutes and comes in a variety of package deals with various upgrades. The Yuneec H520 Airframe and E50 Axis Gimbal Camera System Configurable Bundle in orange costs $2,499.99, but it can be upgraded to $3,899.99.